Castile soap for acne-prone skin. Acne is a typical skin illness affecting 80% of people. While it is most common in adolescents, it can also affect adults across various ages. People generally use a number of anti-acne products or adopt a strict skincare regimen to clear their acne. However, the problem with many products claiming to treat acne is that they are filled with toxic chemicals and skin irritants. Fortunately, there is a non-toxic alternative to these products: Castile soap. Castile soap is made of natural ingredients and contains no harsh chemicals, making it a better and healthier product for your skin. Castile soap can also help soothe acne. Is Castile soap good for acne? Acne happens when your skin pores are clogged by sebum or oil, dead skin, or germs. Excessive sebum production is also one of the primary causes of acne. Sebum is released by the sebaceous glands and used to lubricate your skin. However, if too much sebum is released, your skin will not be able to excrete it out of your skin, resulting in clogged pores. Bacteria in your skin can become trapped, block the pores and feed off the blockage, leading to bacterial overgrowth. Immune cells will then attack these bacteria, resulting in inflammation, redness, and pus. This is where Castile soap comes in. Castile soap helps cleanse your pores and unblock them from the excess sebum, helping your skin breathe and prevent acne. It also helps balance the acidity of various skin types. Cleansing with Castile soap. While Castile soap is a powerful cleanser, it is very gentle on your skin. When there is too much sebum in your skin, the soap molecules will surround the oily molecules and remove them from your skin. Moreover, Castile soap is non-comedogenic. Hence, it does not clog your pores even though it is made of vegetable oils. One good quality, pure Castile soap. Singapore brand is Nature's Glory, the Blessed Soap series, the best Dr. Bronner's Castile soap alternative in Singapore. It is certified organic, non-toxic, non-GMO, and can be bought easily online. Its unscented liquid Castile soap is gentle enough for newborns to use and suitable for almost all skin types, including sensitive skins. Castile soap is a great, natural, non-toxic alternative to commercial anti-acne products that contain harsh chemicals and irritants. It contains natural oils that help soothe, moisturizes, and heal your skin naturally. Still, not all Castile soap is created equal. Be sure to do your due diligence before choosing a Castile soap product.